Hey everyone, my name is Nina Rossi with Know Before You Go Inc. and I am your New York State licensed funeral director slash educator slash perception changer. So let's change our perception of debt and credit so that we can change our perception of death later on. Because you know, death and taxes, they go hand in hand. But for this very, very brief video, I want to focus on, like I said, this month is a great month for nothing other than trade lines. Now, when I say trade lines, I mean professional trade lines, which means they only stay on your account for about 45 to 60 days. However, this is perfect for those of you who are looking to buy a new home or a new vehicle, and you need your score boosted quite quickly. If timed correctly, you can have it done in a very, very short amount of time, probably the fastest of any I know. So, what else are the benefits? Well, depending on what you have in your credit report, you're going to have to know if A, you have any negatives, because if you do, get rid of them first. This won't help you then. But you get all that wonderful, beautiful history from that other person's account, the professional person, with no late payments, no charge-offs, nothing. Not a derogatory comment in the whole entire report. So, what are the benefits? You get your perfect history. You get a nice blend when you call me, and I help you decide which ones are best to suit your report. And you get the points you need to get the car you want, the house you want, the boat you want, the plane you want, the train you want, or whatever else you want. Maybe a submarine. That'd be kind of cool. So, if you want a submarine, don't forget to reach out to me at 718-502-5599. Or you may go right ahead if you're very tech savvy and you would like to go right onto my Facebook page or my YouTube channel at knowbeforeyougoinc.com or, Know Before You Go Inc. And you will be able to find a link there for my Calendly, in which you will be able to set a 15-minute appointment, an assessment with moi, and I will be able to tell you exactly what trade lines would best suit your credit report. So I look forward to speaking to you guys. Talk soon.